yes, we need policies that promote for provision of energy solutions under SDG 7 goals for these segments which have been significantly underserved over the last 70 years. We just can't leave it to market forces. They haven't solved it for them. They will not solve it in future unless some intervention was made.
Now, the objectives of this scheme that we launched are to meet the growing electricity demand through renewable energy, to promote clean energy, to promote the use of indigenous resources such as wind, solar, hydro, and to promote the use of renewable energy at a customer level to support NEPRA's net metering regulations as well.
This is a clear business case, and it talks about the cost of the electricity. Of course, clearing. The one which is most expensive is the thermal power one, and the one which is the cheapest is actually the wind powered one. And solar happen is the second cheapest form of energy.